My MBA experience was rich in learning and understanding of how Asian cultures do business. I made good friends in many places and learned from competent and attentive teachers who were willing to share their extensive experience. I also learned many things from my peers who used their knowledge of many topics to make classes all the more insightful. Overall, I think my journey at Nanyang made me discover Asia the way I was expecting to. I can say that in that aspect, it's mission accomplished. The management accounting class given by Prof. Lee was really surprising to me. I did not expect to enjoy such a subject as much as I did, nor to understand the intricacies of Singaporean accounting standards as well as Prof. Lee could explain them. That class was surely a surprise. I went in expecting to be bored to death, but actually learned a lot and enjoyed the class. Surely it would be the Vietnam Business Study mission. I enjoyed discovering the country's business practices and culture with my peers and will remember those experiences fondly.